Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today, I'm going to report about vitamins. I chose ascorbic acid, commonly known as vitamin C. It's a water-soluble vitamin that play a crucial role in various biological functions. And here's a detailed overview of its chemistry, functions, deficiency, and source. And the chemistry of ascorbic acid, 1. Chemical structure. Ascorbic acid is a chemical known as L-ascorbic acid. Its molecular formula is C6H8O6. It is a 6-carbon lactone derived from glucose and is an enantiomer of ascorbic acid, which means it has a specific spatial arrangement of atoms. Number 2. Properties. Ascorbic acid is a white to pale yellow crystalline powder. It is highly soluble in water, but it's sensitive to heat, light, and oxygen, which can lead to its degradation. And here's the function of ascorbic acid. 1. Antioxidant. Ascorbic acid acts as a powerful oxidant neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. Number 2. Collagen synthesis. It is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that is crucial for the health of skin, blood vessels, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Number 3. Immune function. Vitamin C supports the immune system by enhancing the function of immune cells and promoting the skin's barrier functions. Number 4. Iron absorption. It enhances the absorption of non-hemiiron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods, from the gastrointestinal tract. Number 5. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Ascorbic acid is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine, which are important of brain functions. Number 6. Regeneration of other antioxidants. It helps regenerate other antioxidants such as vitamin E, thereby enhancing their effectiveness. And here's the deficiency of ascorbic acid. 1. Symptoms of deficiency. A deficiency in vitamin C can lead to scurvy, characterized by fatigue, weakness, swollen and bleeding gums, joint pain, anemia, skin problems such as bruising and poor wound healing. Number 2. Risk factors. Individuals in higher risk for vitamin C deficiency include smokers, those with limited dietary intake of fruits and vegetables, and individuals with certain medical conditions that affect absorption. And here's the sources of ascorbic acid. 1. Fruits. Citrus fruits, orange, lemon, grapefruits, and strawberries, kiwi fruits, pineapple, and also mango. Number 2. Vegetables. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow. Also broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, spinach, and other leafy greens, and tomatoes. Other sources like potatoes, certain fortified food like cereal. Ascorbic acid is a vital for maintaining overall health due to numerous biological functions. A balanced diet, rich in fruit and vegetables, typically provides sufficient vitamin C to meet daily needs and prevent deficiency. And that's all my news report today. I am Dumato Rasida, BSN1 from Pelplau.